Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Flashfood application on desktop. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Flashfood application on desktop, firstly open your BlueStack application. Click on Google Chrome application. On the search box at the top, type in Download Flashfood application and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the download link shown on the page. Click on Install button to download the application. But if the application is not available on Google Play in your region, go back to Google Search and in the search box at the top type in Download Flashfood APK and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, click on Download APK. Scroll down and tap on Download APK once again. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Click on Install button. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Flashfood application on desktop quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.